What's up, guys? Kalen Bryan here for Freedom Life Influencer, back at you with another video today. And in this video, I'm going to show you three free apps that you can download today on your iPhone or your Android that you can start making some, not a lot of money, but just to get a little couple of bucks coming in here and there, and maybe buy your lunch every day or whatnot. So just three free apps. So if you like this kind of content, passive make money online videos and channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, because I'm coming out with daily content, daily videos teaching you how to create a life full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. Okay, guys, so let's get right into the computer here. The first app that you can download today, you can download on iPhone and also on Android. It's called Feature Points. So if you haven't heard of Feature Points is basically where you download apps, you download free apps on your phone, and then you accumulate points from using those apps. Let's say you're on the train, or you're in the doctor's office, or you have a long wait at the airport, or wherever you may be. You go on your phone, download these apps. Some of these apps, you already use on a daily basis. Why not just go ahead and use those apps and accumulate points? And then once you accumulate a certain amount of points, you get rewards. You can get instant cash and PayPal, or you can get some gift cards like Amazon or iTunes, PlayStation, Starbucks, Play Store. So there's different things that you can get and redeem for the amount of points you accumulate. I don't use Feature Points because, yes, these are little ways to make little money. I'm right now trying to focus on making creating a sustainable online business to substitute my full-time job to make a full-time income. So these are just ways that are proven and they're legit, and ways that you can really make just a couple of bucks here and there. And if you do it a lot, you can make a lot of money. So it just depends on how much effort and work you put into it. So that's Feature Points. The second one is called Surveys on the Go. Now, I know a lot of people don't like surveys. I personally also don't like surveys, because they are very time consuming, and a lot of times you don't qualify for the surveys that companies will give you. But Surveys on the Go, they really have a lot of surveys that you qualify for. So if you fill it out, you know how much, as you can see right here in this image, you know exactly how much money you'll get. Like it's 10 cents, 25 cents, 25 cents. So it's not a lot of money, but you know how much you will get from filling out these surveys, and you instantly qualify for them. So you can do a lot of surveys and add up, like in this image right here, this $11.45. Like that's 3 days worth of lunch money right there, and stuff adds up. These little things adds up. You've heard the saying, the devil's in the details. Well, the little stuff is kind of like in the details. So Surveys on the Go, it's self-explanatory. It's an app on your phone where you take surveys while you're on the go. You don't have to do it on the desktop, and it's mobile friendly. A lot of surveys out there, you have to use a computer, desktop, and then not mobile friendly. So this is a very good way you can take surveys and start making some good money with it. And it's only in cash, so you don't get like reward cards or accumulate points in order to get cashed out. It's directly cash. You do have to reach a threshold before you can cash out, but that's about it. Okay. It's a pretty legit site, so check it out if you want to. That's surveysonthego.com. Oh, and Features Points is featurepoints.com. Okay. And then the third and final that I'm going to share with you today is called Panel App. Now, some people do not like Panel App because Panel App uses your GPS location, and then it basically tracks where you're going, where you've been, and at the end of the day, you can basically take surveys or answer questions based off where you've been. Let's say you go to a 5-star restaurant, and then Panel App picks that up, and then later on in the day they'll ask you, hey, you see that you went to Panel App, for this 5-star restaurant. Can you take a survey on the restaurant, or can you answer some questions about the restaurant, or write a review about the restaurant, right? Or if you go to a shopping mall, or if you go to a salon, or to a barbershop, or nail place, wherever you're going, Panel App tracks that, and it tracks your location, and then sends you offers and opportunities to complete a review or a survey about that place. So Panel App, again, is a free app that you can download, use on your iPhone from Apple Store or on Google Play with Android. Okay, and it's points. It's a point system. So the more you write reviews or answer questions based on where you've been, the more points you get. And the more points you get, of course, the more rewards you get. Okay. And all three of these sites, if you refer people to the app, you get, of course, some bonuses and some gifts, right? But like I said earlier, a lot of people don't like Panel app because it's tracking your location 24/7, which sometimes can be kind of shady. So those are just 3 free downloadable apps that you can download today and start using. That's, like I said, mobile friendly. It's very hard to find mobile friendly apps where you can earn free money at. Okay. So those are 3 feature points: Servers on the Go and Panel app. And that's getpanelapp.com. All right. So those are the 3 right. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up. Show them that you like this video. If you have any of these apps and have made some money with them, comment below. Let me know if you've used them and how much you've made, if you have experienced some success, or if you haven't experienced success and you've experienced some, have some bad experiences with these 3 apps. Comment below and let us know. But if you like videos like this, make money online, I'm also going to come up with some motivational type videos. If you like this kind of thing, guys, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Okay. And also check the links out in the description if you're trying to get into affiliate marketing, or if you want to start making a full-time job. Because like I said, these 3 apps, they won't make you a ton of money. It won't replace or make a full-time income. If you do want to learn how to make a full-time income, check the links out in the description. My #1 link, which should give you a free step-by-step guide on how to become successful at affiliate marketing. And then my second link is my #1 recommendation for making a full-time income online. Okay, guys? So check those out in the description. And thanks again for watching this video. Okay? Have a good one. Peace.